Archie. No. Okay. So I went into a different room, as you can see, and I put food in there. I didn't want him to see how I opened it because I think that would give him a clue. So let's see how he does. I think he's just gonna put, yep, his little paw in there. Perfect. It's too small for him to steal. The other thing I'm afraid is he might... Yes, hello, I'm not going to help you. I think he might knock it over like he does with his Kong. I might have to like glue it to a board and see if he can open it that way. I'm not going to help you. You can do it yourself. Go away. Think it through. You sneak. You're so smart. And your face is too big to put in there. Come on, this should be the easy part. Oh, good boy. That took you all of less than 2 minutes. He's so smart. So smart, Archie. Archie, good boy. Good boy, Kiki.